मान्सून केरळा पावला. गोंयांत केन्ना येत नक्की सांगू नजो. चड करून 6 जुना मेरेन येवं येता. सोमारा जायत्या सुवातांचेर पावसान गोंयाक झोडपून काडले. अरेबियन दर्यांत जाल्ल्या डिप्रेशनाक लागून गोंयांत पावस झडलो. वातावरण आनी हवेची दिका चक्रीवादळाक हातभार लायता अशें हवामान खात्याचो विज्ञानीक राहुलान सांगलें. पळयात.
When the system formed, a lot now depends on the course of this system to declare monsoon over Goa. As of now, monsoon has arrived up to Kerala coast, up to around 12-degree latitude, that is the northern district of Kerala called Kannur. Up to that point, monsoon has arrived. But monsoon is not just about the amount of rainfall, it's about so many atmospheric parameters, their wind directions, all these things has to be aligned as per the scientific situation, scientifically proven outcome to declare monsoon. So we are hoping that this system will improve monsoon flow towards the northern side further, but still there's a small chance that the system once dies out, rainfall will not be as intense as it is now with the impact of this system. So we'll have to again wait for an exact date of declaration of monsoon over Goa, but hopefully by around 6th or 7th the conditions could be favorable. That means around the normal date conditions could be favorable, but again it has to be repeated that it's a lot dependent on the system.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.